I'm just looking, there is a trade on Swiss franc and JPY, and if you can see, the trade is actually coming as a uptrend for some time. I just draw this trend line, as you can see. Let's move it a little bit here and a little bit here. So yeah, so you can see it's a coming uptrend, and I can see that it has just reached the trend line support or trough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place an order in this one, and this actually, I just want to show you something. My indicator has told me that it is a sell signal, but when I see this uptrend, I'm a little bit puzzled. That's why should it give me the wrong signal, or why it's up, or why it didn't give me the up signal. But the thing is that the signals actually generated based on the two indicators. Number one, moving average crossover. Number one is a 5 exponential moving average, which is I'm drawing here as red line. And there was another moving average of 15, which was a simple moving average. And that I will draw actually as a blue line. Now, what the signal actually says, that's whenever the fast moving average cross down, and the MACD is histogram bar, the latest histogram bar is below red line, signal line, as you can see here. And as you can see here, it's a sell signal. But because the uptrend is quite strong, so I'm actually going to put this particular trade in a two-way. Number one, I will put a stop buy order here, and if it's executed, then my risk will be, or my profit will be around, let's say, up to here, because this there is actually hitting, which will be about 30 pips. So that's nice, and my drop down should be, I mean, my loss should be about 14 pips. So it's a 1 to 2 to 1 risk and reward on the buy signal. And I can also place another signal right up here as a stop sell. And for this one, I'm most likely that's my the take profit will be this particular support one, which is about 20 pips, and again my stop loss should be around 10 or 15 pips above. So let's do that one, and you can see how I place those orders. So I will start first of all as my this one, I'll leave it here. So the first I will go for is my 105.518. So first of all, I will go my buy stop, and that was how much was that? 105, 104, 105, 523, 105.523, place. That's done. And now I'll put my stop loss, my sell stop order, which is up here, 105.385. $105.375, 105.371. Okay, place, and that's it. So now I got a two order, and I have to keep an eye on this one. The whichever order execute, I have to put the stop loss and the take profit after that, and cancel the other order. So I think it will take at least a couple of bars before I will get filled. Maybe if I not get filled on this one, then maybe the next one. Most likely, my buy stop order will get filled. Thanks.